Hey guys, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video guys. Welcome back to Stacy and Nadee's channel. If you're new here for the first time, please to go ahead and subscribe. You won't be disappointed. So today guys, and remember guys, when you do subscribe, remember to turn on your post notification bell. You're gonna see 3 options. Put it on all so you won't miss any of my uploads. So today, this is a segment I call Stacy's cooking show. I'm gonna make some shrimp today. I might curry some of the shrimp and I might make some pepper shrimp. So right here in my bowl here is my shrimp. I take them from the refrigerator, put them in some water with some vinegar. I'm out of lemon, so I'll just use some vinegar on the shrimp. So what I'm gonna do, I am gonna shell some of the shrimp because I'm gonna curry some of the shrimp. Yes guys, so I already seasoned my shrimps. I have some over here which I'm gonna let it be the spicy shrimp, and I have some over here which I'm gonna turn out into the curry shrimp. Right guys, so I'm gonna let this marinate for about 15 minutes before I started cooking it. And I want to introduce my seasons to you guys. So firstly, my first seasoning, I did not use this first, I don't think so, but this is a cayenne pepper guys. I use a cayenne pepper. I use some garlic powder. I use the Cajun season. It is a shell food season. I just have a small amount leaving here right now. I'm gonna get one more. This is a shell food season Cajun. I use a fish season. My fish season is going down as well, as you can see. Fish season. I use a paprika. I use some black pepper. I use curry powder. I'm gonna use curry powder. I'm gonna burn it in the oil for the curry shrimp, yeah. And original dash. I use all-purpose season also, and I use crushed pepper, and lastly I use a little bit of salt. Yes guys, so what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm gonna let this sit for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cook my shrimp and fry my shrimp and return back to you guys. Yes guys, so this is just a small amount of shrimps. Not everybody in my household eat shrimps, right? So we're just gonna work with this. Yes guys, so just stay tuned guys. I'm coming back with the outcome of my spicy shrimp and my curry shrimp. Stay tuned. Yeah guys, so making pepper shrimp is very simple guys. I have some butter with a little bit of oil, my onion and scallion, bell peppers, yeah, and garlic, yeah. Then I add my shrimps that are well seasoned. My shrimps are well seasoned with pepper, and I'm adding more pepper sauce. You know guys, it's gonna be very spicy. Yes, and then I stir them to make sure everything get brown up. Stir them all over, stirring them until everything is completely brown. So this is the result guys. This is the result. Yes guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead guys and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments down below and share me out if you can. Yes guys, the spicy shrimp and the curry shrimp is ready, and I go ahead and cook some white rice. As you can see, we are the shrimp lovers out there guys. This is it guys. Remember to give me a thumbs up, share me out if you can, tell another friend to tell another friend about Stacy and Nadee's channel. Peace, I'm out.